Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve wooden fractal tray puzzle Wunderlich Curve 2. This puzzle was made by Martin Raynsford. It has difficulty level 9 out of 10, and the object is to remove all parts from the tray and then put them back inside. And this puzzle is very difficult to solve since all the parts are very similar, at least they look similar, but each part have different shape a little bit, what makes this puzzle very difficult to find solution. If you like Wunderlich Curve 2 puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now we will show you how to solve the puzzle. So I will start with the piece that looks like this, and you may ask why I'm gonna start with this piece, since this piece was the easiest one to find for me when I was solving this puzzle. So as you can see, there is a part here where there is no these lines, and there is very similar part on the tray where you can fit this piece, and it's going to be right here. As you can see, it seems like this part was cut, but not till the very end, and this piece goes right here just perfect. So the next piece that I'm gonna put is gonna be these two. They look very similar. If you put them together, you will see that they are exactly the same. Let's try again. Yep, they're exactly the same. So if you find two exactly the same parts, that means that you have to put them together. One goes right here, second one goes right here. So now we will put some parts in this corner, and since I've been prepared, I will show you exact parts that you have to use. So the next part is going to be this one. All parts, almost all parts, are completely different. Not completely, they look very similar, but they have some parts that look different from other parts. So for example, this part is a square and it has this sticking out part that looks like a T shape. So you have to grab this part and put it right here in a corner, and as you can see, we have created a pattern for the next piece. So the next piece looks almost the same as two pieces that we put on the left, but this one has small sticking out part in here, and as you can see, we have a small cutout here where we can fit this sticking out part, and that's going to be like this. So the next piece is going to be this one, and if you take a closer look at it, you will see that here there is a cutout, and there is another cutout, and there is a part here which fits perfect in this cutout. That's it. So next we will grab a piece that looks like this, and as you can see, it has a cutout here, and okay, I will show you how to put it a little bit later so that we will find how to fit it correct. So the next piece is going to be this one. This is the only piece that looks like this, and you have to put it right in a corner. And the next one is going to be this piece. There is no other piece that looks exactly the same, so you have to fit it right here. And we have created a pattern for this piece, and now this cutout fits perfect right in this spot where three parts are kind of connecting, and that's where you can fit this part. So it fits perfect. So now if you grab the biggest part that you can find, you can put it right here. As you can see, it fits just amazing. And there are only two parts left, and it's not going to be difficult to find a way how to fit these two parts. One goes right in here and the next part goes in this corner, and as you can see, this part has a small sticking out part. I don't see if you can see it now, this one, and it fits right here, and the puzzle is gonna be solved. So when you see how I solve this puzzle, it takes just a couple of minutes, but actually it is much more difficult to find solution of this puzzle. If you enjoyed solving this Fractal puzzle and you want to try some other similar puzzles, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time!